Well, today I get a little treat for you. I got digging through some of my old video, kind of rearranging and looking for some lost video, and I bumped into some stuff I shot up at Pariah down near Paige, Arizona. What a fantastic place. The strata of the hills, the different layers, the colors were just phenomenal. We drove in something like 17 miles to this place, and the only other vehicle we saw was another Jeep. I mean, does it get any better than that? Look at that hillside. Look at the strata. Look at the layers. I mean, we've got the painted hills in Oregon, but my goodness sakes, look at the beauty here. Can you just imagine? I'd kind of like to climb up there, but you know, I'm getting too old for that nonsense. Flew the drone all over the place up there, just because I could. I mean, it was one of my old drones. The cameras weren't as good as the ones I have today, but you know what? I've got the video, and I'll probably never get back there. You can see the road was a little muddy in there. There was points where we couldn't go any further because we'd have tore things up, and plus taking a chance on getting stuck, and neither one was worth it. You don't want to tear up those areas. You want to preserve them as best you can. Leave them there so someone else can come back and enjoy them. This was the old town site. Somebody came up and vandalized it, burned down the buildings they had there, because they filmed a lot of old movies like the Outlaw Josie Wales. Part of it, this was one of the sets for it right here at the old town site. Imagine how dusty it was when the crew was all going in there to do their work. Trailers with horses and lots of people to support them. Didn't see any rattlesnakes. I was kind of glad, because I just hate snakes with a passion. You fly the drone around, go up to the hillside, take a closer look. I'd hate to think if the drone had quit on me and dropped itself up in there. I'd have still been trying to retrieve it. Just look at the possibilities for a film crew. Look at the fun they must have had. Some of the film guys probably thought they'd died. The camera guys thought they'd died and gone to heaven. At the end of the day, it had to be fun reviewing their footage. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. I'm going to try and do a few more like this as time permits, and you know, I am retired, so my schedule's kind of tough. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.